Hey, what up, everybody? This is Ian, and today we're going to be doing a review of this health band, specifically the Huawei Band 6. So, what's really good about this health band is you just you just need to wear it. There's no need to take it off. Like in a month, maybe charge it 2 or 3 times. Like me, even if I take a bath, I never take it off except when I'm charging it, of course. It is really convenient. Also, when it's on your wrist, you don't even feel like you're wearing something, not like other smartwatches. So, what are my thoughts about this health band? It doesn't look cheap at all, thinking that it is only 2,599 pesos. Back in the days, this price range will only give you cheap materials, an LCD screen, and a ridiculously poor battery life. This is totally something different. And these are the things that I love about it. I love it that the screen is super clear. This is an AMOLED screen, by the way, so every time you take a peek at your watch, you'll immediately see the details that you're looking for. The sleep tracking is amazing. It just gives you a lot of detail, but does it in a way that it's so easy to understand, and it actually feels like you have your own personal sleep doctor. Data presented to you doesn't feel generic at all. Let me actually show you my 1 week worth of sleep data. So your night sleep and your quick naps, like maybe after lunch or so, all will be recorded and will be clearly summarized as you can see here. Just perfect. Now, all day heart rate monitoring. This is insane. It can literally track your heart rate every 5 minutes for 24 hours. That's just crazy. And on the Huawei Health app, you can literally scroll through your day's worth of your heart rate data. Data can also be sorted by daily, weekly, and monthly. And I was even thinking if I set my old smartwatches to monitor my heart rate every 5 minutes, oh my, it'll kill it in less than like 5 hours or so. It's ridiculous. The stress monitoring. I'm not entirely sure how to use this, but it will actually tell if you're stressed out. Look at this data. This was the day before my 12-hour long drive. As you can tell, stress levels are way up. I was really stressed that day because I only have a hatchback car and I have tons of luggages to bring, and you don't even know if all of them would fit. So, hated that day. So, as you can see, it really works, but I really don't get it. Like, I mean, do you still need an app to validate that you're stressed out? Like, I mean, what? So, battery life. Huawei advertised this to last for 2 weeks or 14 days. Based on my test, I've actually set all of the sensors. So, heart rate monitoring every 5 minutes. I've got all day stress monitoring. I've got the sleep tracker, and I also have the SPO2 all day tracking. So, how many days did I get? Actually, I got almost 12 full days of battery. It's just insane. Like, just imagine walking through your neighborhood and you saw someone with an Apple Watch or maybe a Galaxy Watch. You you actually have an idea that they're charging their watches almost every day. If you're going to be buying this, in a month's time, you'll only be charging this 2 or 3 times. So, 2 or 3 times versus 3 times, that's a big difference. So, oxygen saturation or SpO2. This will tell us the percentage of red blood cells that carries oxygen. Excellent results should be at the 95 to 100% range. If your oxygen level gets too low, you may need to seek medical advice. This can actually lead to complications in body tissues and organs. I also love the Find Your Phone feature. Like myself, I'm just clumsy. I mean, well, I'll do a lot of things like, I manage my online store and I'm trying to do this YouTube channel. So, a lot of things is just going on. Remembering where you last placed your phone would be a bit, you wouldn't even really think about it. With just two buttons or two gestures, you can easily and conveniently ring your cell phone. Even if it's on silent mode or vibrate mode, it will still make a sound. Really useful. There is no native integration with the Strava app. So, what it means is you can't use Strava to share your runs with your Huawei Band 6. But there is a workaround, though you will need to buy an app. But the good thing is, it's only $30 for a lifetime license. So, Health Sync will work as an exporter or a link so that the two apps can communicate with each other. You know, just a small compromise, but it will truly work. And the last one is there's not enough watch faces. Not unlike with my Samsung watches, there's just really tons and tons of watch faces. However, on the Huawei Band 6, there's just not a lot to choose from. So if you're into that, your choices is going to be a bit limited. And now, one of the things that differentiate a health band from a smartwatch is how fashionable and iconic it looks. With smartwatches, you can definitely customize it. Change the strap, customize your bezel, or put some cases on it. However, with health bands, there's not really a lot that you can do. Like this only comes in four colors. You have watch faces, but sadly, the customization ends there. But this health band is not bad at all. It doesn't actually look like your typical health band. Like for me, this looks like, a stretched out Apple Watch. Really. Yeah, if you can see that. So, if aesthetics is really a big deal for you, or you feel sheer joy every time people compliment your watch, then maybe this is not the watch for you. But if you want something practical that can do what most smartwatches can do with 2 weeks battery life, yeah, this is the best deal right now. It just at just 2,599 pesos. I mean, the sleep tracking that this can offer beats what my Samsung smartwatch can. Yeah, so that's it. That's our review for the Huawei Band 6. I hope my experience was able to help you with your purchasing decisions. I'm hoping to upload more videos soon. I actually have the Mi 11 Lite on hand and the Black Shark 4 on hand. So, yeah, we'll be doing more benchmarks on those phones. All right, anyway, this is Ian again. I'll be seeing you on the next video. Ciao.